show up like the bogeyman from the stories. Eating people alive? Where's that kid from?
Every book said they was men.